In a small village nestled between rolling hills, lived a young boy named Tim. Tim was always curious and loved to explore the world around him. One day, he heard about a mysterious treasure deep in the forest, an armor made of zinc. What could be so special about zinc? Tim wondered. He decided to embark on a journey to find out. With a heart full of courage and a backpack filled with supplies, he ventured into the forest. As he delved deeper, he encountered various challenges. A raging river, a dense thicket, and even a pack of wild wolves tested his resolve. But Tim's spirit remained unbroken. He remembered the strength and resilience of zinc and drew courage from it. Finally, after days of travel, he reached a hidden clearing where the legendary armor lay. It shimmered in the sunlight, its zinc surface reflecting the beauty of nature. Tim felt a surge of excitement as he picked it up. The armor was heavy, but Tim found it surprisingly comfortable. He put it on, feeling a strange warmth envelop him. With a newfound sense of confidence, he returned to his village. Back in his village, Tim was hailed as a hero. People marveled at the zinc armor, its unique properties protecting Tim from harm. They asked him about his adventure, and he shared the story of zinc's resilience. From that day forward, Tim became known as Captain Zinc, a symbol of courage and resilience. He used his story to inspire others, teaching them about the strength that lies within us all. And so, the legend of Captain Zinc lived on, a reminder that with courage and knowledge, we too can overcome any challenge. And as for the armor, it remained a mystery, its powers yet to be fully understood. But one thing was certain, the story of Captain Zinc and his zinc armor would be remembered for generations to come.